To download OnlyFans app on your iPhone, if you go to your app store, you'll see that when you search for OnlyFans, you won't really find the official app or anything for OnlyFans. In most cases, you won't really find it. So the only way how you can download OnlyFans app on your iPhone is open up the browser on your iPhone. So just go to a browser, type in OnlyFans. So just go to their website, OnlyFans website. Go to just open it up. So open up the website. So once you're on the website here, so what you have to do, you can log in to your account. That's fine. Click on the three dots here, and from there you will see there is an option called share. Tap on the share option, and from here, if you scroll down here to more, you will see more options here, and here you will see there is an option called add to home screen. Simply tap on it and give a name for your app. So I'll just leave it as OnlyFans. Hit on add, and now you will see that you'll have the app added on your iPhone screen, on your iPhone here. So you can just tap on it, open it, and then use it. So this is the only way how you can download the OnlyFans app.